I will share my screen. So types you have done last class, right? Can you see my screen? Okay, let us do first meditation. Otherwise, you are very dull, all of you. Okay, let us do 5 minutes meditation. 6:11. 5 minutes. Take deep breath. Sit straight. Sit straight. Deep breath. Close the eyes. Deep inhale, deep exhale. With complete concentration, you do this. Okay, let us start. Be interactive. Okay, na? Is my voice clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, it
sir.
was clear.
Okay, done. Let's move on. Okay, now if we see here, so what are the main types of internal tables? Basically, types of internal tables. Types of internal tables. You can see here itself.
Standard, sorted, and hashed.
Hashed. In the real-time business, right, in majority cases, 99% I can say we go for the standard internal tables only, because these things we should define the key fields. Okay, there's I will give you the points also in which scenarios we go for this one. No? Sorted or hash. Even in the S4 HANA, some of the areas will not support of this type of tables, sorted and hash. It supports only standard internal table only. Clear? Understood? Default internal table type is standard. Okay. So you can use the keyword type standard or type table of. Okay, now suppose what is the meaning of this one? What do you call this one? IT underscore Mara?
Internal table types.
What is the meaning of type table of Mara? What is the meaning of type table of Mara? It means take the table Mara structure into the internal table Mara. Okay. That means all the fields, whatever is available in Mara table, all the fields will come into your IT underscore Mara. Clear? This is standard internal table. Standard internal table or sorted or hash. See this one. This internal table type. Default internal table type is standard. So that means what is the meaning of this one? Above one is the standard or what the type of the internal table? This one. Hope you all both concentrating on the screen.
Type table of Mara is an standard type, sir.
Because default. Okay, na?
Yes.
Either you can define like this or you can define type standard. This is also same, both are same only. Here explicitly you are mentioning. Okay, na? You note down the points, whatever I'm telling, this is the interview point as well. Default internal table. Okay. This is the declaring the internal table. So basically two ways you can define the internal tables, right? One is based on the types. So based on the structure type, these are types. Based on this, we can define the internal table based on the Mara table. Okay. First you define here structure type and then type table. Right? IT underscore data, IT underscore Mara, type table, UI underscore Mara. Here you define the types here. Hyphen means data type. Data will not come here. Clear? This is internal table. And here I can define here. Oh, data. What is the difference between this internal table and this internal table? Quickly think and tell me. What the difference between this internal table, IT underscore Mara, IT underscore Mara 1? What the difference between these two? Think and tell me. What is the difference between IT underscore Mara and IT underscore Mara 1? Both are internal tables only, right? Question understood?
First one is our own structure and the second one is SAP Mara structure.
Correct, but what is the difference? How many fields will come into your IT underscore Mara? Table is having the fields, right? Internal table. How many fields are there? How many fields will come into this internal table? Simple question, right? How many fields will be available in this internal table? This is the question. Simple question.
Contains the fields that we create by ourselves, like MET and now.
That's what I'm asking. Question is how many fields? How many fields will be having in this internal table? You whatever answer is correct only, but tell very clearly. No. Question understood? How many fields? Fields. Simple, very simple question. We are not concentration. We are not doing. How many fields are there here in this box? First, how many
Two, sir.
fields are here? Two,
Two.
right? Why
Yeah.
we are taking that much time? Two fields, right? So obviously, what will become this ID underscore Mara? Two fields. Here, how many fields will come to ID underscore Mara 1? Think and tell me. First.
All the fields in the Mara
Perfect.
tables.
Very good. Very good. Perfect. Because you are referring directly to standard table. Suppose 300 fields or 400 fields, all the fields will come. Tell me, open Mara table. Tell me how many fields are there. 2 minutes time. Not how many records, how many fields. Tell me first.
Nine, sir, nine fields.
How many fields?
Nine.
No, no. Fields, number of fields in Mara table. Go to, how do you check it? You have to go to Mara table, right?
300
Number of fields. Fields.
300 fields.
Very good. Very good. Understood, right? Clear, right? You can check it here if you go to here. 662 in my version. This is the fields, number of fields, this one here. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, 362. Clear, understood the concept? Okay. So one more concept. This is obsolete, but still some cases we need this one. No? Internal table. Again, two types of internal tables. Internal table with work area, with explicit work area. What we know already, what you know already. This is one type of internal table. Okay. Internal table with header line. Okay, no? This is absolute concept. Concept. Okay. So write a program with me, along with me. Program name could be internal table. Create an internal table. Types begin of table underscore model. Done up to here, done. Okay, no? Next, here, right? You can create an internal table with the header line concept is like this, IT underscore Mara type table of ty underscore Mara with header line. Write like this. This is syntax. You can assign the data like this: IT underscore Mara hyphen MATLR equal to material number 100. Take only this as examples. Don't take your employee and all. Okay, na? What I am taking, take these tables only. Material type raw material. IT underscore Mara and material group equal to 0. So you are assigning the data record. One. So how many records are there in the internal table?
Sure, total records.
I'm done, right? You try to print this record, all 2 records. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Try to print these 2 records in the output using the loop statement. Print it first. Can you print it?
Sir,
Right? See, I'll show you in the debug mode how it looks. This is absolute. Don't practice. I mean, you don't need to this one, but I'll tell you in which scenario you need this concept to be understood. This I'll make you understood better in the debug only. You can print like loop at it underscore mora. No into, because no internal, no work area here. Wait statement slash work area underscore mora hyphen matnr. And maybe 40 position work area underscore mora and loop. I'll explain debug mode. Check syntax, activate. Sorry. IT underscore. I'll put a breakpoint here. Oh, execute here. See how it looks, IT underscore mora. This is the internal table with the header line concept here. Okay. This is the header. It works as a work area, this cap symbol. This is the header part. That will hold single record here. Observe carefully, then only you understood this one. This is the header part which can store single record date time. Okay. And this part is body. Body of the internal table. That will store more than one record in runtime. Okay, let's see practically now. Single step. See here, what will happen to the structure? This is structure, nothing but header part cap. Do you see one field value came here? First field value. Second field value came here. Third field value came here. You can double click here. This is one record. How many records are here? On this screen, no? How many records are there?
all 3 records.
Hmm. Three records or one record? Record means rows. It's not a records record. Group of 3 fields. All together is one record. This one, not records here. Clear? Hello? This is single record. Not records. Records means row wise. First row, second row, third row. This is the column fields only. Now think 1 minute. What will happen after this append statement? What will happen after line number 18 executed? What is IT underscore mora? What is IT underscore mora? Line number 13 here.
Internal table of
Correct. With header line. Header line means this one, this cap. Now one record will go to internal table now. How many records are there in internal table? As of now, IT_Mara.
right now,
Okay.
0 records.
0 records. Perfect. Very good. What is the 3 means?
3 means, I think, rows, I think, sir.
No, columns. This 3 columns. Field names. 1, 2, 3. 3 fields. What is 106? I told earlier. After the class, right, you should go through all this video, you should prepare your own notes. Then only it will be very effective. 106 is the bytes memory space for the internal table. See now what will happen here. What is the append statement will do? We were discussing in the last session. What is the append statement will do?
That's records at the end of the table.
Correct. Now one record will add here. See here. How many records are there in IT_Mara? Now see the scheme carefully.
1 record right now.
Record. Oh, correct. You can double click here. One record now. One record came from cap to body. From cap, it is copied to here. Next, second record here. See cap area, what is going to happen? Observe carefully here. Cap area is going to change here. First field value changed. Where is my control now currently? Which line number? Control currently.
Right now in 22.
22. After 22 executed, think of what will happen here. Here, in this part. This is the cap header part. It is going to change here with which value? This is the value, right? The value will come to here. Now 2 records here. Can double click here. 2 records. Okay. So 5 minutes time. Create one internal table with respect to VBAK table and add 2 records with header line. First question is create internal table. Create internal table with respect to VBAK. So VBAK table. Take 3 fields. Enough.
బయటికి పోయింది అనుకుంటా నాకు తెలియదు నాకు
Internal table
అడబెట్టు వస్తుంది ఒక 5 నిమిషాలు
must be with header line. Okay. And add 4 records into it and print it. And print it on the output. Do this one quickly. You can take any 3 fields. If you go to here, VBAK table. You can take VBLN, VBTYP, AURT, VPLN, BBTYP, AURT. Take these fields. From VBEK table. Done, huh? Hello? So, okay. So I also given some more exercises. Okay.
Repeated, sir.
Right. Let's move on now. Quickly, if conditional statements. Huh? Okay, na? I'll copy paste one by one quickly the code. We'll do it now. Okay, write one new program. Database conditional statements. Huh? Do you see my screen? Go to the conditional statements. What is the conditional statements concept in the programming language? Yeah? Conditional statements. Any programming languages. Huh? What is the main purpose of the conditional statements?
To make a decision whether it is true or false.
To make a decision. If condition.
If condition is else.
If, else conditions. Okay. And loop statements. Basically this one and case statement also will fall under this category only. We'll see with examples. So next to loop statements. Loop statements. What the purpose of loop statements? What is the purpose?
To execute a block of code repeatedly.
Repeatedly. Correct.
in-
Correct. Correct. Okay, we'll do with one by one quick examples here. So write this code quickly. Tell me what is the output.
Your screen is not visible, sir.
I copied code in the chat window. WhatsApp. So what will be the output of this one?
Large quantity.
And it's simple, right? Here, if you go to here, conditional statements, loop statements, August. What is LV underscore ME and GE? What is LV underscore ME and GE?
So LV means local variable and MEMG means quantities.
It is a variable, right? It's a variable. Value 20. So 120 means which one will print now? This one will print, or this one will print, or this one will print? Which is the true here?
Large quantity.
Oh, this one, right? If I put a breakpoint here, stop, execute, right? 120. 120 will go to here. This become true. This will execute here. Now what will be the output? Suppose if we execute this one. What will be the output if we execute this one?
Medium quantity.
Small quantity, medium quantity. 50, right?
Medium
It
quantity.
means, no, not this one. Right? It is only greater than 50 only. 50 is not greater than 50, right? 50 is equal to 50. Equal to symbol not there here. It goes to here. Got the point? Execute. Right? We'll print this one, else part. Instead of greater than symbol, you can go the keywords also, GT, greater than also. Clear? This is simple, right? Try the next one I given in the chart window. Copy and try to understood that. Not initial means having the value. Any questions? Hello?
No, sir. No, sir.
Clear, right? Not initial means having the value. Not initial means. That is also one type of condition, check condition. Not initial means hang the value. It is the hang the value. After 25 line, where will go the control? Currently line number 25 control. Where will go the control? It goes to here. Right? Not initial, yes. Then this become true. It will print this one here. Okay, now I'll introduce one more statement here. I'll introduce clear statement. I have not said that one. What will happen if you execute this one? Clear means it will clear the values. Hmm? So do this case and case as well. And you ask me any doubts. I'll paste here. Case and case. Okay, I'll ask some questions on this one tomorrow next class. Try this all this and tell me. So also exercise also I'm giving. Okay, no? You do it all this by tomorrow class. Anything you ping me. Okay, na?